Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to unhide all columns in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. So in this data there are some columns is hide. So this column I'm going to unhide. So just click on this arrow to select the entire Excel sheet. So you can see the entire Excel sheet is selected. I'll show you here also. After that, go to the Home tab. In Cells group, click on the Formats option. In Visibility, click on Hide and Unhide option and click on Unhide columns. That's it. Here you can see the columns is unhide. Okay. The second way, I just use here the Control Z to undo the action. Again, the column is hide. Second way, simply click on this arrow to select the entire Excel sheet. After that, you can use the shortcut key Alt-H-O-U-L. That's it. Here you can see the all columns is unhide. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.